Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks fell Wednesday as investors digested a summary of the Federal Reserve's July meeting, which hinted at potentially higher rates. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.52%. The S&P 500 dipped 0.76%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite declined 1.15%. It was the second consecutive losing session for the three major averages. In the central bank's July meeting minutes, officials said additional tightening may be necessary to bring down inflation. The federal funds rate is currently in a range between 5.25% and 5.5%, the highest level in more than 22 years. Intel fell more than 3% to lead the Dow lower. Meanwhile, the back end of corporate earnings season rolled on. Target shares rose roughly 3%, even after the retailer cut its full-year outlook. Insurance company Progressive jumped nearly 9%, also on the back of its earnings report. Tesla has lowered its prices by nearly 7% for the current Model S and X car inventories in China, following earlier price reductions on Model Y vehicles, raising worries of a renewed price competition amid a 31% drop in sales of China-made vehicles from June to July, attributed partly to production halts for the upcoming revamp Model 3 launch. In commodity-related news, the upcoming regulated carbon market is set to impact approximately 5,000 companies with annual emissions exceeding 25,000 tonnes of CO2 equivalent, primarily affecting sectors such as steel, cement, chemicals, and aluminium manufacturing. Energy Transfer plans to acquire Crestwood Equity Partners for $7.1 billion in an all-equity deal, enhancing its extensive oil and gas pipeline network as new project developments faces increasing challenges in North American fuel infrastructure sector. Overall, all US sectors closed lower overnight except for utilities. Consumer discretionary was the worst performer. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening.